Circular and bottom heat, or sometimes known as base baking, is excellent for cooking foods like quiches, flans, and also pizzas for getting that lovely crisp base to them. Now with quiches and flans, ordinarily you would have to blind bake the pastry case first. So what I mean by this is lining this pastry case with some paper and some baking beans, cooking it for a first time, and then removing it, adding your raw filling, say your egg and milk, cheese and bacon, and baking it for a second time. The beauty of circulaire and bottom is that you can do it all in one go. So with this one, I've got my pastry case already made and rested. I'm going to pop in the bottom some bacon bits that have just been fried off. I'm going to then add a little bit of cheese, so it's just a simple bacon and cheese quiche. And then pour over my wet mixture, which is the crunch point, because this is what you would normally have to wait for when you've cooked the pastry base first before adding it into the oven. The beauty of this function means that I don't have to worry about baking that pastry first, then the filling. So the time saving is excellent. So if you want to get home from work and put it straight into the oven, you can be creative with whatever in the fridge. So we're going to pop it into our oven, which has been preheating. And as I say, it's on the circular and bottom heat. We position the baking tray at the bottom of the oven, and that means when we put our metal quiche dish, which works way better than your ceramic, the intensity of the heat is going to come from the bottom, from our bottom heat, and the circulaire with that element wrapped around the fan is going to concentrate on cooking our filling. So after just one quick 25-minute one-stage cooking process, we have our perfectly cooked quiche or flan.